Hi, good morning, Bloomington South. My name is Mr. Livingston, and I'm one of the counselors here at South. I want to talk to you this morning just briefly about creating your schedule for next school year. Believe it or not, this school year is nearly halfway over, and it's time to start thinking about your schedule for next year. Juniors, you heard a presentation last Monday from Mr. McKay in the auditorium about which classes you should select for your senior year. Sophomores, you're going to hear from me today during SRT about which classes to select for your junior year. And freshmen, you're going to hear presentations tomorrow during your English class from a counselor about which courses you should take as a sophomore. Today, I just want to show you how it is that you create your schedule yourself using Skyward. So when you log into Skyward, the screen should look very similar to this. Along this left-hand bar on the left, you'll see a new option, courses for 2014-2015. That was just available as of last week, I believe last Tuesday. And some of you may have already gone ahead and created your schedule, and that's just fine. For the freshmen who have not done this before, I want to show you how it works. So I'm going to select courses for 2014-2015. You'll then see 4 tabs at the top of the screen: Available, Selected, Update Request, and Alternates. An update request, that's really where you're going to spend your time. That's where you select your courses for next year. So let me show you as an example. I'm logged in as a freshman. So as a freshman, next year I'll be taking sophomore English. Really the easiest way to do it, instead of scrolling through all of these classes, searching for the class you want, down here in this search bar, I'll type in English 10. And then it's also important to remember when you're making your online schedule that you select all sections of the class. So regular sophomore English is 3 trimesters. So you need to select 10-1, 10-2, and 10-3. Whereas if you were taking honors, you just need 10-1 and 10-2. If you're not sure how many sections that a class you need to your course selection guide, which if you've not already received, you'll receive that when you get your presentation. You should really have this and your transcript in hand as you're making your course selections for next year. So once you find the class that you want, you will click the button down below here that says Add Course. It's going to ask you, are you sure? And then you'll see that it adds it to the right. And these are the courses that you have requested. And that's what the Selected tab's for, so that you can review the selections that you made. The other tab that you'll be using is this one on the far right. It's the Alternates tab. And in the Alternates, that's where you'll select classes that are alternates in case your classes that you desire are not available. And I will tell you that your counselor does use the alternates that you select, especially over the summer. If classes have been canceled or if for some reason there's a conflict with your schedule and we're unable to give you the classes that you've chosen, you should have at least 3, perhaps 5 alternates going into the summer. So a couple of things to remember. Be sure that you have 15 classes selected. When you go to the selected category, you should see 15 courses and you should see at least 3 alternates. And remember, if you have questions on what classes you should take next year, first select your course selection guide, and then of course you could always sign up to see your counselor. Thank you. Have a nice day.